guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Nancy from nancybadillo.com. And on today's Etsy lingo for Etsy sellers, we're going to talk about what is a listing variation and how to add a listing variation to your listing on Etsy. So let's go ahead and get started. So a listing variation is a way that you could offer a potential buyer different options within the same listing that you're promoting on Etsy. So for example, if you're selling a dress with different sizes and colors, you can specify these options in variations. Or if you sell, like me, digital prints, and you sell a sign in different sizes, let's say you have a sign that you sell at 8 by 10 inch, 11 by 14, and 18 by 20, you could specify the different sizes. That way when the customer is buying your item, they could choose the size that they want, and you would charge them accordingly to the size that they picked. And it's a really nice way to do it. It's a really nice way to showcase an item that maybe you have different colors or maybe different sizes. Like if you sell a t-shirt, you might have to put small, medium, and large. So it's an easier way to do that within one listing and show different variations of that listing basically. And how do you add a listing? So let's go ahead, a listing variation. Let's go ahead and do that. So once you put your image, you pick your title, you pick your category, you add your listing description, you add your keywords and so on. You go on the bottom and it's going to say add variations. So I'm doing a anniversary sign. So I'm going to go to here, choose variation type. I'm going to do size. And then I'm going to do prices vary per size. And then I'm going to do it by inches, which is what I work with most of the time. So I'm going to put 8 by 10, 11 by 14, let's see, 16 by 20, 18 by, I'm trying to remember on top of my head, 20 by 30, 24 by 36, A1, these are international sizes in case you're wondering. Other size in case they want something else. Oh, and 18 by, I forgot the 18 by 24. So then you could drag also and kind of put them in order if you mess up like I did. So once you have all the sizes in here, because I pick prices vary for each size, when I update it, it's going to give me a little slot to put the pricing, you see? Because if they buy an 8 by 10, it's going to be cheaper versus if they buy a 24 by 36. So here, all I would do is put the pricing. So I would do, let's say 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 16, 16, and then I always do other like around 18. So once you put the pricing, you just update your listing like normal. And when you go view the listing, the customer will have this option here, you see? So when they're buying the product, all they have to do is go here, select the size that they want, pick the quantity, and add to cart. So this is how you add a listing variation. And you could do this with anything that you like. You could do it with a sign, you could do it with a t-shirt, with different colors of t-shirts, or different sizes, or you could combine colors and size as well. So it's just a really nice way to do it. There's no need for you to do multiple listings when you could just do all the variations in one listing. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you like this video and want more videos like this, make sure that you give me a thumbs up on this video. And if you have not subscribed yet, make sure you do. I'll be adding additional Etsy tutorials and anything else that you guys need help with. Make sure you leave a comment below. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.